guys, what I think I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do one on either side up here somewhere, two down below shooting up, so two shooting in, two shooting up, and then the other two is gonna go under the front seats, mostly shooting toward the front of the vehicle. A little underglow action. So yeah, this kit comes with 6 pods. Comes with these mountain bases and these aluminum, powder coated aluminum pods, heavy gauge wire with twist on connectors, 4 pins, really nice. Gets high points from me, and it comes with little bolts as well. There's little bolts here and nuts. For what I'm doing, those aren't going to work, but and you get 2 of these bases. One of them is shaped to fit around a bar or a roll bar or something, light bar, and the other one is flat. We're using these flat ones. It's just a rubber piece with channel to run your wire in. Very cool stuff.
Power
starts in the front, 370 amp alternator, pump to the back through wires as big as alligators. Strong thunder lithium soars up the power, the lightning strikes, space drops hour after hour. Big Tahoe rolling on mud tires, a wall of subwoofers and a stack of amplifiers. Bass hits hard, slinging like an earthquake. People on the street gotta stop and do a double take.
Now the whole operation goes through this dang thing, and you scan that QR code for your app or scan the thing, but they all plug in here, and then you just get a simple wire, black and red, man, ground and positive, and that's it. It's on, it's off. I'm gonna mount this sucker down here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there, I think. Get her done. Right, guys, it's bright daylight, and I also got that work light on over there, and just got 2 of these things back here. You see what we got going on already, just one on each side, and that's a black surface, so it's absorbent light, but it sure is showing up the color in it. I think it's gonna work pretty dang good, y'all. I just need to finish up. It's still, I left it set on that setting, that 7 color deal, and when I hooked it up and turned it on, it went right back to that setting automatically. I can change it, of course, but that's pretty cool. That's just 2 lights. All right, still daytime. Sun's right there. Still got that big light going. I got 2 more lights down there. So I got the 1 on each side, and then I got the 2 down there. That's having the effect I'm looking for. I want to really light this thing up. I want it to be visible during the bright daylight. I might need to put the other 2 somewhere. back here as well. That green really shows up good. That's one of the colors I'm gonna be shooting for, is that green. You can see how much light it's throwing out. It's pretty good, huh? Alright guys, 4 inside and 2 back here. And I can set it to whole color, of course. That's going to light up a lot back there. It's bright daylight. And you can see how much light that's kicking out. Now it's got to do a bunch of straightening, organizing. But yeah, I'm liking the way that looks. That's going to add some nice flare to my backdrop in my amp rack. And see, that's bikini mode. We just have the top opened up. Isn't that cool? And then whenever we want to go full tilt boogie. Oh, and by the way, there is a camera looking back at you. Right up there. It's recording all the time. So when this is opened up, anybody that walks up here will be on camera. If it's opened up like this. Full show, not so much, but still looking good. Still got a few wires to neaten up, but I got the seats up in here now. Y'all can see it hits the ceiling up there, lights up the ceiling, lights up the port and the subs. These two right here don't do as much. They kind of hit the side of the seat. But got to see them at nighttime and I'll know more. But the normal position for these are going to be with this down. This wire right here goes to my backup camera. I got to get that extension wire so I can tuck this one, but so don't pay it no mind. But this is basically the view we'll be getting most of the time. Pretty freaking cool. Lights up nicely. I'll get some shots at night. At nighttime. Through the glass. That's a very dark tint. But you can see it through the glass. Guys, that looks cool. That freaking looks cool, man.